In today's digital age, our inboxes are constantly bombarded with emails from various sources. As a result, it has become increasingly challenging for marketers and businesses to capture the attention of their audience amidst the sea of messages. The key to breaking through this clutter lies in crafting compelling email subject lines that entice recipients to open and engage with your message. In this article, we will explore 10 powerful tips that will help you create click-worthy email subject lines. Keep it short and sweet. When it comes to email subject lines, brevity is crucial. Aim for concise phrases that quickly convey the value or benefit of opening your email. Avoid lengthy sentences or unnecessary words that may get cut off on mobile devices or fail to grab attention. Use numbers. Numbers have proven time and again to be effective attention grabbers in marketing copy. Incorporating numbers into your subject line not only adds specificity but also creates a sense of urgency and promises tangible takeaways for readers. Personalize your message. In an era where personalization is king, generic subject lines simply won't cut it anymore. By addressing recipients by name or tailoring your message based on their preferences or past interactions, you can establish a more intimate connection with your audience, making them more likely to open your emails. Create curiosity. Humans are naturally curious beings. We are drawn towards things that pique our interest or promise something new and exciting. Craft subject lines that ignite curiosity by teasing valuable information within the email without giving away too much upfront. Spark emotion. Emotional triggers can be incredibly powerful when used appropriately in email subject lines as they tap into human psychology and drive action. Depending on your target audience and brand voice, consider using emotions such as excitement, fear of missing out, or even humor to make your subject lines more compelling. Offer exclusive benefits. Everyone loves feeling special and getting access to exclusive offers or content. Leverage this desire by highlighting the unique benefits that recipients will gain by opening your email. Whether it's a limited-time discount, insider knowledge, or early access to a product launch, make sure you clearly communicate the value they will receive. Use urgency. Creating a sense of urgency in your subject lines can significantly increase open rates. Incorporate words like limited time, act now, or ending soon to convey that there is an immediate need for recipients to take action upon receiving your email. A/B Test your subject lines. Not all subject lines are created equal, and what works for one audience may not resonate with another. Take advantage of A/B testing to experiment with different subject line variations and determine which ones perform best for your specific target audience. Avoid spam trigger words. To ensure that your emails land in the primary inbox rather than getting flagged as spam, it's crucial to avoid using trigger words such as free, buy now, or excessive exclamation marks in your subject lines. These words often raise red flags for spam filters and decrease the chances of reaching your intended recipient. Segment your audience. Segmenting your email list based on various criteria such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels allows you to tailor subject lines specifically for each group of recipients. By delivering personalized messages that speak directly to their needs and interests, you can significantly improve open rates and overall engagement. In conclusion, standing out in a crowded inbox requires strategic thinking when crafting email subject lines that compel recipients to click and engage with your message further. By following these 10 powerful tips, keeping it short and sweet, using numbers, personalizing messages, creating curiosity, sparking emotion, offering exclusive benefits, using urgency, A/B testing subject lines, avoiding spam trigger words, and segmenting your audience, you can significantly increase the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. Remember, a well-crafted subject line is the key to unlocking the potential of your emails and capturing the attention of your audience in today's competitive digital landscape.